In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix laptop battery plugged in but not charging. So let's get started. First thing that we need to do is we have to click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on system. Scroll down and you have to look for troubleshoot. Here you will find other troubleshooters, click on that. So here you need to look for power. So once you find power from here, click on the run button that corresponds to power to run the power troubleshooter. Now what that will do is that will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, that will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issues. So simply run the troubleshooting step, okay? Close this, and then you have to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type choose a power plan. Click on that. So here you need to look for the high performance or the ultra high performance. So if you have the high performance or ultra high performance, you can simply choose either of that. It's either high performance or ultra high performance. But if you don't have, you can click on create a power plan from here, okay? And then you can also choose just balanced, okay? Once you have select your plan, close this and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows once. For the next method, make a right click at the start button, select device manager. Now once you open the device manager window, you have to simply locate batteries. And here you can find your battery adapter, Microsoft AC adapter. Make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you have to close this. Or you can update it the second way. Make a right click, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here simply choose the latest driver and click on next. Click on close and then restart your Windows once. For the next method, in the same device manager window, you have to locate batteries and locate the adapter. Make a right click and then select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. Now once you have uninstalled it, how can you reinstall the driver? Simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. After restarting, that will automatically reinstall the driver on your Windows and that will fix the issue for you. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.